Hello and welcome to I Talkie English. I'm your host, Sam, and this is the podcast dedicated to helping you speak English more confidently and naturally. Today we have an incredibly practical episode for you. We're going to talk about the English phrases that native speakers use every single day. And to help us explore these phrases, we have a wonderful guest. Please welcome the brilliant Chloe to the show.
Hi, Sam. It's great to be here. I love this topic because learning these phrases is one of the fastest ways to sound more authentic and connect with people.
That's so true. It's about moving from textbook English to real-world English. All right, are you ready to jump into our first 5 phrases?
Let's do it.
Okay, first up, we have that makes sense. You will hear this everywhere. Chloe, how do you explain it?
It's a simple way of saying, I understand your reason, or what you're saying is logical. It's a great way to show you're listening and you agree with the logic.
Right. For example, at work, your colleague might say, I put the most important data on the first page of the report. You could reply, good idea. That makes sense.
Exactly. Or if your friend says, let's meet at the coffee shop near the station so you don't have to walk far, you'd say, perfect. That makes sense.
Let's do a quick dialogue. Hey, Chloe, I'm going to set my alarm for 6 a.m. tomorrow so I can go to the gym before work.
Oh, that makes sense. It's always too crowded in the evenings.
Exactly. Okay, listeners, let's try it. Repeat after me. That makes sense.
Great. Okay, our second phrase is fair enough. I use this one a lot.
Yeah, it's a good one. It means you understand and accept someone's decision or opinion, even if it's different from yours. It's like saying, I see your point and it's reasonable.
Right. You don't have to agree, but you accept it. For example, your friend might say, I can't go to the party tonight. I have to study for a big exam. You'd say, oh, okay, fair enough.
Exactly. Or at a restaurant, you might want to sit outside, but your friend says, can we sit inside? I'm allergic to bees. You'd say, fair enough. Inside it is.
Okay, my turn for a mini dialogue. Sam, I'm going to order the vegetarian option. I'm trying to eat less meat these days.
I was going to get the steak, but fair enough. Good for you. All right, everyone, your turn. Let's say it. Fair enough.
Okay, what's our third phrase, Sam?
Number 3 is, I guess so. This is a weak yes. It means you agree, but you're not very excited or certain about it.
Yeah, there's some hesitation. For instance, a colleague asks, do you think we can finish this project by Friday? You could look at the huge pile of work and say, I guess so.
Totally. Or if your friend says, do you want to see that new horror movie and you don't really like horror? You might say, I guess so, if you want to be nice.
Okay, mini dialogue. Sam, the ticket prices are a bit expensive for this concert, but it's the only chance we'll get to see this band. Should we still go?
I guess so. Let's do it. Okay, listeners, try it with that slight hesitation. Repeat after me. I guess so.
Perfect. Moving on to number 4. Kind of. This is where when something isn't a clear yes or no, it means a little bit or sort of.
Right. If someone asks, is the new Italian restaurant any good? You could say, kind of. The pizza was amazing, but the pasta was just okay.
Exactly. Or, are you busy right now? You might say, kind of. I can talk for a minute. It means you're a little busy, but not completely unavailable.
Okay, let's do the dialogue. Chloe, did you understand the instructions for the assignment?
Kind of. I get the main idea, but I'm a bit confused about the last part.
Great example. Okay, everyone, your turn. Let's say it. Kind of.
Fantastic. And our 5th phrase for this section is actually. This word is small but powerful.
It is. You can use actually to gently correct someone or to add a surprising piece of information.
For correction, someone might say, you're from Australia, right? You can say, actually, I'm from New Zealand. For a surprise, I thought this phone would be expensive, but actually, it was on sale.
Perfect examples. Okay, dialogue time. Chloe, I think the meeting is in room 5.
Actually, I just got an email saying it's been moved to room 7.
Oh, thanks for letting me know. Okay, listeners, last practice for this section. Repeat after me. Actually.
That was great. And guess what? We have a bonus round with 3 more super useful phrases.
That's right. First up in our bonus round is no worries. This is a friendly, relaxed way to say it's okay, don't worry about it, or even you're welcome.
For if someone says, "Oh, sorry, I'm a few minutes late," you can say, "No worries." Or if someone says, "Thanks for your help," you can also reply, "No worries."
Okay, quick dialogue. Oh no, Chloe, I think I forgot to bring back that book I borrowed from you. I'm so sorry.
No worries at all. Just bring it next time you see me.
Phew. Okay, let's practice, everyone. Repeat after me. No worries.
Next in our bonus round is a great one for work. I'm on it. This means I'm starting the task you gave me right now, or I'm taking responsibility for this.
Right, it's very proactive. Your boss might say, "Can someone please email the client the updated file?" You can say, "Yep, I'm on it." Or if your roommate says, "The trash needs to go out," you can say, "I'm on it."
Okay, dialogue time. Sam, did you remember to book the restaurant for Saturday night?
Oh, thanks for the reminder. I'll do it right now. I'm on it. Excellent. Let's practice that one, listeners. Repeat after me. I'm on it.
Okay, our last bonus phrase is, "What's the catch?" This is a fun one. You say this when an offer or situation seems too good to be true. You're asking, what's the hidden problem?
Exactly. An ad might say, "Free smartphone for all new customers." You would think to yourself, what's the catch? Maybe you have to sign a long, expensive contract. Or a friend says, "I'll give you my car for $1." You definitely say, what's the catch?
For sure. Okay, let's try the dialogue. Sam, this company offered me a job with a huge salary and unlimited vacation days.
Wow, that sounds amazing. What's the catch? Okay, final practice, everyone. Let's say it together. What's the catch?
Amazing job, everyone. We covered 8 fantastic phrases today.
We did. Let's do a super fast recap. We learned that makes sense, fair enough, I guess so, kind of, and actually.
And our bonus phrases were, "No worries," "I'm on it," and "What's the catch?"
Now, here's the most important part, the challenge. Information is only useful when you use it.
Exactly. So your challenge for today is very simple. Just choose one of these 8 phrases, just one, and find a moment to use it in a real conversation.
That's the best way to build confidence. Chloe, thank you so much for joining us and sharing all your fantastic insights. This was so much fun.
My pleasure, Sam. To everyone listening, you are doing great. Keep going.
And a massive thank you to you, our listeners, for tuning in to I Talkie English. Remember, every small step forward is progress. Be brave, be curious, and keep talking. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.